I'm 16 years old and I attend ATEC High School, which is a magnet school. And currently right now I'm in the law program at that school. I was born in Mexico, and so were both of my parents. And I came here around when I was about 3-4 years old, and I've been living here ever since. My citizenship naturalization process, it was really, the whole situation was like really stressful, helping my mom pass the test, because it was the whole, she had to learn English and she needed to know the things that obviously a U.S. citizen should know if they're going to become a citizen of America. And so I remember my brother and I would both help her study and practice, and okay, we need to learn new English words for today. And it was really stressful because it's the fear of, well, if she doesn't pass it, what happens to my brother and me? What happens to our residence cards that can eventually be taken away? So to me, the DREAM Act is really important because, to be honest, if my mom would have never become a U.S. citizen, I would be in the same situation as all the other students would be. And my mom came to this country to give my brother and me a better life, and I think that it's unfair for her to do something like that and for me to throw it away. And I think that other students should have the same opportunity as the one that I'm given. And I think that if I can have the opportunity to go to college and to strive in the career that I want to strive, other students should have the same opportunities regardless of whether they were born in a different country or what race they are or what their cultural background is. The DREAM Act, it would allow students to get their residence card if they go to college for a minimum of 2 years, or any military service for 2 years minimum. And it definitely is a reward, especially for students that have worked hard for it, because I believe that there are a lot of students that from the very beginning, they have a dream school. They have like, I would love to attend Harvard, I would love to attend MIT. So they strive to get to this school. They strive to do their best to, most importantly, live to the fullest, because they know that their parents have come here with an expectation to better their lives. And I think after working so hard, after giving out to their community and striving to do their very best, I really think that in return, for them to know and to come to realize that after all this hard work, I can now become a citizen of my country, because they've been living here for so long. And I think that they don't see this country as a stranger's country. They see this country as their home. And I think that that's the reward that really comes out of it. To me, it's amazing. It's an amazing feeling to know that there are actually Democrats like Senator Harry Reid out there supporting it, because it's actually an inspiration for a lot of us students. It's a motivation to know, hey, there's someone out there that supports this act as well as us. There's someone out there that knows, that has gone through the hardships. Because I know Senator Harry Reid, his childhood was not a very, it was an easy childhood. He probably went through a lot of experiences, such as experiences that students go through. And just to know that someone understands the hardships that students go through today, just to be able to go through school and to at least get to college, it's an amazing feeling.